Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily change the exposure brightness on your ELGATO Facecam MK.2. So, as you guys can see, we are in the Camera Hub app for our PC. This is an app for ELGATO cameras. Now go over to device at the top here and make sure that the ELGATO Facecam MK.2 is selected. Scroll down until you see exposure, and here we have brightness. Remember, you can only change the brightness if it's on automatic. If it's not automatic, then you can only change the ISO. It's much worse, so I prefer using this one. And as you guys can see here, we can easily change the brightness from 0 to 100%. So that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.